الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Alhamdulillah, we're on lesson 2 and inshallah today we'll talk about kalima. The definition of kalima is a meaningful word is called kalima. An example being kursiyun, kurasatun, notebook, and qalamun, pen. Kalima then divides into three more parts: ism, fi'l, and harf. And the English equivalent of these would be, for ism would be a noun, for a fi'l would be a verb, and for harf would be a preposition. And for ism, the example they give is rajulun and ilmun, man and knowledge. The example for fi'l, a verb, daraba he hit, nasara he helped. For harf, they give min, meaning from, and ila, meaning to. Now let's look at the definition of these three. Ism is that kalima which itself explains its meaning. There is no need to add another word to understand its meaning, and it does not have any tense, meaning time frame, in it. For example, kursiyun and rajulun, chair and man. So ism is something that expresses its own meaning without having the need to have other words attached to it, and doesn't have a tense to it. The definition of fi'l. Fi'l is that kalima which itself explains its meaning. There is no need to add another word to understand its meaning, and it does have a present, past, or future tense in it, like daraba and yadribu. He hits, or he will hit. And fi'l, as I mentioned, is equivalent to a verb. Last one, harf. Harf is such a kalima that its meaning can only be understood by joining some other word to it. Example being min, from, and ila, meaning to. So harf does not express its own meaning. It has to have other words for its meaning to be fully expressed or fully understood. And there's actually three questions. What is a kalima? A kalima is a meaningful word. How many and which types of kalima are there? Explain the definition of each one with an example. Well, we talked about there are three types of kalima: ism, fi'l, and harf. Noun, verb, preposition. Example for ism, a noun would be rajulun, a man. Example of fi'l would be daraba, he hit. An example of preposition would be min, from. And exercise 3 is, you could say a fill in the blank. Has some boxes. Put a check, put an X. So I'd request all the viewers to pause the video and work on exercise 3. So I assume everybody's given a go at it. And let's do it together now. Ghasala, he washed, is a verb. Jamalun, camel, is an ism, a noun. Baqaratun is also an ism. Fi, in, within, is also a preposition. Is a preposition. Qa'adat, she sat, is a verb, a fi'l. Jalasa is a verb, a fi'l. Yashrabu is a fi'l. Bi, with, is a preposition. Alima is a fi'l. Dhahaba is a fi'l. Ta'kulu, she eats or she will eat, is a fi'l, a verb. And naqatun is an ism, a noun. This completes lesson 2, and inshallah in the next video we'll do lesson 3.